old pub who's just trying to replace old paint with new paint. I don't know. I don't know.
Look, I know I usually don't say a lot. I'm always listening and looking. But, you know, who you are, you know, the part of you that's so full of life. I mean, we all have that feeling, that fire. We usually never get a chance to use it, and then it just goes away. But you can. You've got this opportunity, so do it. Why not? I mean, this is who you are. This is who you'll always be. And you don't move aside from nobody until you're ready to move. And it doesn't matter how this looks to other people. All that matters is how it looks to you. Rocky. Rocky, look at me. How it looks to you. And if this is something that you want to do, and if this is something that you got to do, then you do it. Fighters fight. You're not going to punch me, right? Alright, listen, I gotta go before I wear out my welcome. I'll see you tomorrow.
Now imagine me being the person sitting next to you. Come on, my friend. I know you have this inside of you. This is not about what everybody else thinks. It's what it means to you. It is what it brings out of you. Stop thinking about other people's opinions. Do this. You've got this excitement, this joy, this capacity within you. Now's your time. Go do this. Go make it happen. This is yours. Your friend Belle cheering you on. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to have you a part of this community, the Joy Seeker community. We need to support each other on this journey. I'm backing you up. Take care until next day. Bye.